Infinitely charming antique cape with loads of updates. Kempas tropical wood floors on first level. All pine originals upstairs. Living room has skylights, wood stove, and recessed lighting. All but 3 windows just replaced last month. Totally open floor plan on first floor with updated kitchen and formal dining area. Home has been lovingly cared for by the current owners. Beautiful corner lot. Has over an acre of land with plenty of room for playing or gardening. Also has a fenced-in area. Maintenance-free exterior. Roof is 13 years old. Full basement is great for extra storage. Laundry conveniently located on second floor in newer half bath. Elementary and high schools are within 1 mile. Come take a look and be charmed.